Hello everyone. Today's tutorial is this easy and quick and very simple to make earring, and I made a light color also. So our materials, I have seed bead size 8 gold, and I have two colors of seed bead size 11 and earring hook. And for this project, I'm gonna use this thread. So let's begin. I pick up 12 size 11, the dark color. Going to just pass through. Then I'll leave a little a short tail. Then pass through the second bead. I pick up 3, 11, pass through, skip 1, go to the next, pick up 3, pass through, skip 1, go to the next, pick up 3, pass through, skip 1, go to the next, pick up 3, skip 1, go to the next, then pass through and exit there. Pick up gold 11 and gold size 8 and gold 11, pass through, then 11 gold, 8, 11 gold, pass through, $11 gold, 8, 11, pass through, 11 gold, 8, then 11, gold, 8, 11, pass through, going to just pass through all the beads. I'm exiting size 8 gold, and I'll pick up 311 gold, pass through, then exit to size 11 dark color, then pick up 3, then pass, exit to 8 gold, pick up 311 gold, then pick up 3, exit to 8 gold, pick up 3, so I'll just continue adding 311 dark, here gold, dark, gold, dark, gold, dark, all size 11. So I pick up 311, the dark color, then pass through 11 gold and 8 gold, then pick up 511 dark, okay, and then I'll just pass through one more time, because I can make my couple of knots here. And one more. Then one more knot before I cut my thread. So I'm going to just make some couple of knots, then I'll cut my thread. Guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. Very simple, easy to make, quick and easy, simple. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody.